So my tip for today is to spend a little bit of time putting yourself in the shoes of the person that you're talking to. Focus on the other and how you can be of service to that person. What I wanted to talk about today is a sales concept. So many times people want so much to get the sale that's what they're thinking about. They're thinking about what the sale means to them, the salesman, not what it means to the person that they're talking to. Most of the time, the best sales technique is not to oversell the product, but rather to demonstrate that you have a great product and that you allow the other person to realize that they need it. They ask you for the sale, you are not asking them. I've done a lot of sales calls in my life, and one of the things that I've learned is that the most effective times is when I've merely discussed how good the product is and how it could fit into the life of the people who I'm talking to. Now, in line with that, one of the things that you should be doing at all times is thinking about your avatar. That is your ideal client. You've got one. You know who it is. Whether that person is ideal because you get along with them well, because you understand their unique problems, because you can speak to their communities, their focuses, or their interests. Here's a small tip. If you don't have an idea who your avatar is, start by imagining that it's you. Because many people make that mistake when they go out. They pitch as if they're the ones buying. So consider that it might be you. You are the person who you are most looking for. Now, don't get me wrong, you need to be selling to everyone. And no business survives by cutting off significant pieces of the market with regard to sales. But that said, you have an ability to speak to the things that you've experienced in a way that others can't. I understand and I can use the right empathetic words to reach across the aisle and talk to them. Those words, those concepts, that being empathetic part, is critical to your success as a salesperson. The real A+ salespeople are empathetic regardless of those commonalities. But baby steps. We'll get there one step at a time. That's my message for today. Thanks for tuning in.
If you like the content of these videos, please like, subscribe, and add a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks.